In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your WordPress site, whether you're looking to take your website offline temporarily or remove it from the internet entirely. I'll guide you through the steps to make it happen. This tutorial is designed to help you navigate the WordPress dashboard with ease, giving you clear instructions to ensure everything is done correctly. If you're new to managing WordPress or just need a little extra clarity, stick around, we'll cover everything you need to know. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up using the link provided in the description below. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and click the login button. This will take you to the login page where you can sign into your account. Now, to make the process even simpler, select the Continue with Google option. This allows you to log in using your Google account, which is especially convenient if you already use Google for other services. Make sure you select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress site. This is important because using the wrong account could prevent you from accessing the correct site dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this by looking down the left-hand sidebar. The Settings area is where you can control various aspects of your site's configuration, so it's a key part of this process. Within the Settings section, click on the WordPress.com Site Settings option. This is the area where you can manage your site's overall configuration. If you don't see this option immediately, don't worry. Just scroll down a bit and you'll find it. Next, locate and click the Manage Site Visibility link. This link will direct you to a page where you can adjust your site's visibility settings and handle other preferences. Take a moment here to ensure you're in the right section before moving forward. Now, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page here. You'll find the Delete Your Site option. Clicking this option will begin the process of unpublishing your site from the web. It's important to understand that this action will completely remove your site and all its content from the internet. So if you're considering this step, proceed with caution. Remember, deleting your site is irreversible. Once you've clicked the Delete option, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the deletion. These steps might include verifying your decision or entering some details to finalize the process. And before you go through with this step, make sure that you've completed all necessary backups. If you think you might want to restore your site's content later, having a backup will be essential. And that's it. You now know exactly how to unpublish your WordPress site. Whether you're taking your site offline temporarily or permanently deleting it, these steps give you full control over your website's visibility. If you have any questions or need help with other WordPress features, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.